Good morning students, myself Ms. Surbhi Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group. So today we are going to start with GK class 5. Okay, chapter 5, amazing roots. You all have read about roots, you all know what are roots. Roots generally absorb water, oxygen, nutrients from the soil and pass it to the plant. But in this chapter, as you can read, amazing roots, we are going to read about different roots which modify themselves. And जैसे कि आपने पढ़ा है रूट्स जनरली सॉइल के अंदर होती हैं, बट इन दिस चैप्टर वील रीड अबाउट डिफरेंट रूट्स जो कि अपने आप को मॉडिफाई करके सॉइल के ऊपर ग्रो करने लगती हैं. Roots are a special part of the plants because they hold the plant firmly to the ground. Because of roots, plants stand very stiffly. They absorb water and mineral salts from the soil for the nourishment of the plants. The roots shown below have special functions. Fill in the blanks with the names of these special roots. You can use the help box. Help box has been given to you at the bottom of this page. First is aerial roots. Aerial roots of the flame of the forest help to hold up the heavy trunk. Okay, so these roots are having the capability of holding the heaviest trunk so that it can stand very straight. Next, storage roots of the sweet potato store food and water. You all are aware about sweet potato, beetroot, okay, carrot. So these roots are generally, storage roots are generally found under the soil. Okay. Next are prop roots. Prop roots of the banyan tree support the plant. You can see the image. What happened in prop roots are जनरली जो ये हॉरिजॉन्टल ब्रांचेस होती हैं इनमें से रूट्स निकलती हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर प्रॉप रूट्स. मूविंग नेक्स्ट इज हॉस्टोरियल रूट्स. Hostorial roots penetrate the host plant to get nutrition. Now what are hostorial roots? Like for example, two roots are there, A and B roots. Okay, the A one is very lazy. Okay, so for getting the food, what this A root will do, this root will inject some of its part in the B root, okay, and take food from the B root. So B root will be the host root because this root is giving food to A root, okay, and A root will be the hostorial root. Next, breathing roots. Breathing roots of the orchid take in air and moisture and help the weak stem cling to the support. Okay, now breathing roots. Now what happened is there, now when these roots are there in the soil, they did not get enough amount of oxygen. So for getting the enough amount of oxygen, they modify themselves और थोड़ी बहुत roots वो अपने आप ऊपर भी grow होने लगती हैं. Next is contractile roots. Contractile roots pull the plants deeper into the ground. Now what are contractile roots? You have seen deserts where lack of water is there, cactus grow. So what happened is there, जो वहाँ पे roots होती है वो अपने आप को बहुत deeper into the ground लेके जाती हैं because water का जो level होता है वो बहुत नीचे होता है. So because of that, contractile roots pull the plants deeper into the ground for getting the water. Next, last one, buttress. Buttress roots of the mangrove trees grow above the ground to help the tree breathe. Again, these buttress roots, mangrove trees are grown in tropical rainforest where the soil is very clayey. So lack of air, lack of oxygen is there. So generally these roots grow themselves above the ground to get the oxygen for breathing. So chapter 6 now are India. Institutions. Now what do you mean by institutions? See, for getting different knowledge, कुछ new courses सीखने के लिए we are having different institutions set up in India. From those institutions only हमको उस particular course की knowledge हम लोग ले सकते हैं. So about those institutions only we are going to read about in this chapter. It is believed that the first international university of the world was established in India some 2800 years ago at Takshashila. Today, our country has many famous institutions spread across its length and breadth. Okay, different institutions for getting different courses. We are having so many institutions present in India. First one is Indian School of Mines, which is situated in Dhanbad. Now this Indian School of Mines is established by Britishers. Why they established this institution? Because they want to give their British education of mines to Indians. Okay, so that's the reason they built this Indian School of Mines in Dhanbad. Next, National School of Drama. It is situated in New Delhi. This institute provides training of theatre and filmmaking. Okay, filmmaking and theatre training has been provided by this National School of Drama in New Delhi. Next, National Police Academy. This National Police Academy is situated in Hyderabad. It is a premier training अकेडमी फॉर पुलिस. लाइक जितनी भी हमें नॉलेज जो भी पुलिस का वर्क होता है या उसकी जो भी ट्रेनिंग होती है वी विल गेट दैट नॉलेज फ्रॉम दिस अकेडमी. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, इंडियन मिलिट्री अकेडमी which is situated in Dehradun. Now this Indian Military Academy is a officer training institute of Indian Army. Okay, officer training institute of Indian Army is situated in Dehradun. Fifth one, National Defence Academy, that is NDA. You all must be aware about this NDA. Okay, it is situated in Kharaghwasla. Now what happened, it is also known as NDA and is the joint educational resource and training institution of armed forces. Okay. Next, sixth one is National Defence College. National Defence College is situated in New Delhi and it is for learning of officers of the Indian Armed Forces and Civil Services of India. Next, National Institute of Design, which is situated in Jaipur. In this, different courses of crafts, textile designing, fashion designing, these kind of courses is provided by this National Institute of Design. Next, Indian Institute of Management. Management, you will come to know about this word management in your senior classes, but let me tell you, management related to business. Okay, management course has been provided by Indian Institute of Management in Lucknow. The last one, Lakshmibai National College of Physical Education, which is situated in Gwalior. It is under the Ministry of Youth and Sports Education, in which this is having the task to provide students with such a knowledge so that the country is very expertise in the physical education and different sports. So this is it. I hope you all understood the chapter well. Thank you.